let's talk about the very first technique that's extremely important is hitting or popping. That's when you tense and relax your muscle. Whatever muscle you can tense and relax, you can pretty much use for hitting. The most common obviously is the arm hit, your forearm, your chest, your legs. You could be hitting your knees forwards or backwards. It's more, your thigh, that muscle is not really your kneecap. Hitting is actually I would say the heartbeat of the music. So when you hit a beat, you're hitting to kind of match that rhythm. So that is extremely important. And also being able to hit give you that great control, that ability to stop, away from, one end to another, or when you're doing animation or dime stop, be able to stop your momentum, dime stop, right away. Or you can use the hit to kind of show, a motion, and then you go. So a lot of the slow motion, a lot of animation require hitting. And hitting is just, the most important part of it. And knowing how to hit, control, and correctly is extremely important. So you have, when you're doing your hits, it's not really just, I'm hitting my arm, I'm hitting as hard as I can, whatever part, and that's it. It's all about having a variety of hit level, light hits, almost like a dime stop, and then you have like a normal hit, maybe a regular hit for like the groove, the beats, and you have the harder hits, which is maybe there's a harder symbol within the song, and all those things, you think about it a little differently when you dive into it. So quickly, for example, if I'm just doing a stop, I'm doing a dime stop, even just like this, just a stop, okay? I'm tensing to stop. So that right away, right there, it's kind of like a hit, okay? I'm not necessarily doing a tense and relax, like a tense and relax right away, but then as I'm doing a stop, I'm tensing just enough to have that, illusion of just that stop. Especially you want to do a stop that have a little bit of that, like if you're doing a dime stop, you have a little bit of boom, a shake or something like that. You kind of have to gauge that light hitting just to kind of look, more robotic or however you want to do. And then the normal hitting, the everyday hitting, let's say, just your arm, a lot of dance is like this when you're doing the groove. And that's like your normal level of hitting, that's, just dancing. And then the harder hitting, that comes with, especially when you're doing bobbing style or a lot of robotic style, all of that combined, you have to know how to hit and then boom. Let's say if I'm bring it up, when I'm coming up here, if you want, I want to try to hit as hard as I can without looking crazy. So I'm gonna hit both my arm and my chest, and all at once. I can hold it and then release, or I can just do a quick, just hit and be done with it. So there's all kind of variety. So that is just the basic level of it, just knowing that 3-level hit. When you get more complex, there's so many things that you're gonna be thinking about. And being able to hit in different level gives you the ability to be able to, play with the song a lot better. Because song is not the same sound all the time. Even the bass beat, it changes it, and the emotion will change. So be able to hit in a different level of the sound is also important too as you get more advanced, when you want to, pronounce each beat a little harder, a little lighter. That's just the basic idea of hitting.